Hola, gusto en veros de nuevo. Welcome to the vibrant and diverse region of northeastern Spain, where each destination promises a tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. From the majestic Pyrenees to the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean, let's continue our journey from Zaragoza. Embark on an unforgettable journey through Huesca, Lérida, Girona, Lloret de Mar, Barcelona y Tarragona. After visiting the marvelous Zaragoza, our first destination is Huesca. Attention trekking lovers. Nestled amidst the stunning Pyrenean landscape, Huesca enchants visitors with its rich history and breathtaking natural beauty. Explore the medieval charm of its old town, where cobbled streets wind past ancient churches and picturesque squares. Don't miss the awe-inspiring San Pedro Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture dating back to the 13th century. Adventure seekers will find paradise in the nearby Pyrenees, where hiking, skiing, and mountaineering opportunities abound. And for a taste of local culture, indulge in traditional Aragonese cuisine, renowned for its hearty flavors and rustic charm. Entering Catalunya, we'll delve into Lleida. Step back in time as you wander through its historic streets, a city steeped in centuries of Catalan heritage. Marvel at the imposing La Sovella, a stunning Romanesque cathedral perched atop a hilltop overlooking the city. History buffs will delight in exploring the ancient ruins of the Lleida Castle, while foodies can savor the region's culinary delights at bustling local markets. And be sure to take a leisurely stroll along the tranquil banks of the Segre River, where you can soak in the serene beauty of this charming Catalan city. Seguimos con Figueres. Explore the enchanting world of Figueres, Catalunya, where every corner tells a story and every sight brings joy. Step into the whimsical universe of Salvador Dali at the Dali Theatre Museum, where surrealism comes to life in vibrant colors and mind-bending shapes. Wander through the ancient walls of the Castel de Sant Ferran, feeling the echoes of history whispering tales of the past. Marvel at the Gothic beauty of the Church of St. Peter, its intricate architecture a testament to centuries of faith and craftsmanship. Let your inner child roam free at the Toy Museum of Catalunya, where nostalgia reigns supreme and memories of playtime abound. Immerse yourself in the bustling energy of the municipal market, where the sights, sounds, and smells of local life create a symphony of senses. Relax in the charming Plaza de El Ajuntament, savoring the flavors of Catalan cuisine and basking in the warmth of community spirit. Discover the rich heritage of the Empordà region at the Museu de El Empordà, where art, archaeology, and history intertwine to tell a captivating story. Unravel the mysteries of Sant Ferran Castle at the Interpretation Center, where interactive exhibits bring the fortress's past to life in vivid detail. Pay tribute to Salvador Dali and Gala at Plaza Gala I Salvador Dali, where statues of the artistic couple stand as guardians of creativity and love. A short drive away we'll visit Cadix, a gorgeous village welcoming us to the Mediterranean costa where we'll treat ourselves for a good couple days. Gorgeous cobblestone streets and ancient landmarks await your exploration. In Figueres, every moment is a celebration of life, art, and the joy of discovery. Vamos a Girona. Prepare to be mesmerized by the enchanting city of Girona, where history comes to life amidst a backdrop of winding medieval streets and ancient stone walls. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the Jewish Quarter, one of the best preserved in Europe, and marvel at the majestic Girona Cathedral, a masterpiece of Catalan Gothic architecture. Art enthusiasts will find inspiration at the Museu d'Art de Girona, home to an impressive collection of Catalan artwork spanning centuries. And for a truly unforgettable experience, walk along the iconic Red Bridge overlooking the colorful houses lining the Oña River. A scene straight out of a postcard. Our next destination is Lloret de Mar. Escape to the sun-drenched shores of Lloret de Mar, where endless beaches and vibrant nightlife beckon travelers seeking fun in the sun. Relax on the golden sands of Fenals Beach or dive into the crystal-clear waters of Cala Boadella, hidden away amidst lush Mediterranean greenery. Thrill seekers can try their hand at a variety of water sports, from jet skiing to parasailing, or explore the underwater wonders of the nearby Meads Islands. And as the sun sets, immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of Loret's bustling promenade, where bars, restaurants, and clubs come alive with music and laughter. Barcelona. Welcome to the beating heart of Catalonia, where the energy of the city is matched only by its boundless creativity and culture. Lose yourself in the whimsical world of Antoni Gaudí as you explore his iconic architectural masterpieces, from the towering spires of the Sagrada Familia to the colorful mosaic wonderland of Parc Güell. Art lovers will find solace in the works of Picasso and Miro at world-class museums, while foodies can indulge in a culinary adventure through bustling markets and trendy tapas bars. And as night falls, experience the electric energy of Barcelona's nightlife, where the party never stops and every corner holds the promise of a new adventure. Visit La Rambla for a wonderful stroll, immerse yourself into the beautiful Casco Viejo, get lost wandering this amazing alleys filled with so much to see. Barcelona has something for anyone, literally. Art, culture, architecture, history, world top-class sports, world-class cuisine and amazing sights, plenty of beaches to relax and enjoy. The beach clubs where to spend excellent relaxing days are very worthy to visit. Barcelona has so much to experience, not easy to describe with words nor several videos about it. There you go. The main reason why you must visit and experience this amazing and unique city. Just remember, Barcelona is often at a high ranking on the list of top 10 cities to visit in the whole world and surely rivaling with Madrid as the #1 in Spain. Whatever the case, it surely is a wonderful experience. Tarragona. Step back in time to ancient Rome as you explore the historic streets of Tarragona, a city steeped in millennia of history and culture. Wander through the UNESCO-listed archaeological ensemble of Tarraco, where crumbling ruins and majestic amphitheaters tell the story of Spain's Roman past. History buffs will delight in exploring the medieval Old Town, where Gothic cathedrals and Romanesque churches stand side by side. And for a taste of the region's culinary delights, be sure to sample the local seafood specialties at one of Tarragona's many charming restaurants overlooking the shimmering waters of the Mediterranean. It honestly is a walking-in museum. And the end of this journey. You can fly back home from Barcelona's international airport or head to Madrid if it better suits your needs. Or perhaps find yourself a place to stay for a longer period of time to keep on exploring Spain with each destination offering its own unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. The northeastern region of Spain promises an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to discover the magic of Huesca, Lleida, Girona, Lloret de Mar, Barcelona, and Tarragona. And please don't forget to stay tuned for more adventures all over Spain and other places in the world. Now before you go, I want to thank you so much for helping and supporting my channel. Adiós y gracias, nos vemos en Granada, Andalucía. Viaja feliz.